Today we're at the Somerset Dam Social Day 2018. This day is about promoting the sport and all the social aspects that surround it.
It's only water, it's either sink or swim. Can't hold back your light and expect to win. Gotta go harder, oh you've gotta learn. Don't suppress your fire, baby, let it burn. Be who you are. Nobody can take that away from you. Oh, straight from the heart. No playing games. You gotta be true. You gotta be.
And at 12 o'clock we've got demos by Iacconi, Joel Howley in Beams Alley, which is an inlet in Somerset Dam. They're going to put on a show for everyone, and then afterwards everyone puts their boats on the trailers and heads up to the lock-up for an after party.
Time to figure it out, it's only water. It's either sink or swim. Can't hold back your light and expect to win. Gotta go harder, oh you've gotta learn. Don't suppress your fire, baby, let it burn. Nobody can take that away from you. Oh, straight from the heart. No playing games. You gotta be true. You gotta be.
Oh, Nick! Winner, chicken dinner! Yeah! Who would you like to thank, mate? I'd like to thank Nautique Central! When I say Nautique, you say Central. Nautique! When I say Nautique, you say Central. Nautique! Thanks, guys.
Guys, that's a wrap for the 2018 Social Day. You can see there's a big party happening behind us. If you've missed out on this year, there's next year. It's going to be bigger and better again. Big thanks to Iacconi, Joel Howley, Prowake, the Dam Shed, the Chevy Bar, which you can see behind me. Everyone that was involved to make this event happen. It's going to be bigger and better again next year. Again, all brands are welcome. If you're keen on wakeboarding and water sports, come get involved. Looking forward to it.